guys, and welcome back for my first video in the new year 2022. And first I wish you a happy new year, and also I hope you had a lovely Christmas time with your family and friends. And also I like to thank you because on Christmas Eve I got 2,222 followers, and that's a really huge number for me. So thank you for your support, and maybe this year we will get on Christmas Eve 3,333. This will be also very cool. So I hope you will spread my videos in the whole world. Thank you for this. And now I'm talking here too much, so let's start with my Q&DI inspo. And here you will find my complete materials, and below you will find my camera settings as always. So let's start with my picture idea. And I got my picture idea because I got before Christmas and Christmas calendar from my wife, and in this calendar I had a lot of this lovely gin bottles here. I'm sure you don't have the same bottles at home, but you can use also every bottle you like to, but take care that the size will be not too big. And then you have only to lift up your bowl here, your glass bowl, transparent glass bowl, and fill it with sand, and also put some water, tape water inside, that you get some bigger rocks here. And then you have only to place a strong light below the bowl, and also you have to make a hole inside the sand that the light will go through. And also you need a low light, and then you can make also some highlights on the top of the sand. And in the hole you have only to place your bottle that the light will go through the bottle, and that's all. And now you can take your pictures from above, from the side, and now you can see my results. But also a quick tip: if your bowl will be very small and you will see the edges of the bowl in your pictures, you can also use some black cardboard here and place it behind the bowl or inside the bowl, and to avoid some bowl visible effects in your pictures. And also you get here a smoother black surrounding around your bottle. And really, that's all. So we will see us in my next tutorial. Ciao!